Republic of India after 1947. Bakra Dam completed in 1963. It is the largest dam in India. Special programs were launched to improve the supply of food and cash crops. The Growth Food Campaign 1940s and the Integrated Production Program focus on providing food and cash crops prospectively. India's 5-year plans for agriculture development came into effect soon. Instead of promoting land rehabilitation, land development, power generation, fertilization, especially fertilizer, and the development of the agriculture-based package approaches soon to be the only factor in government oversight adopts a set of steps. Many of the productivity revolution that began in the 1960s include the Green Revolution in India, the Yellow Revolution, oil spoil, 1986-1990, the Operation Flood, Dairy, 1970-1996, and the Blue Revolution. After the 1991 economic reform, significant growth was recorded in the agriculture sector, which is now benefiting from the previous reform and new innovation in agro processing and biotechnology. With the growth and prosperity of the India's economy recovery, a strong middle class emerged as the main consumer of fruits, milk, fish, meat, and vegetable. A significant change from the earlier consumption since 1991. A change in the consumption pattern has led to a revolution in high value agriculture, while the need for a grain has declined. Per capita consumption of the cereals decreased from 192 to 152 kg during 1977 to 1999, while 553% in fruit consumption, 167% in the vegetable, 105% in dairy products, 85% in non-vegetarian products. Only increase in the rural areas of India. General chat long. A similar increase was observed in the urban areas. During the 1990s, agriculture export increased by more than 10.1% annually. Contract farming, which requires farmers to produce crops for a contracting company, has increased. High value agriculture products. Contract farming led to a reduction in the transaction cost, while contract farmers made more profit than non-contracting workforce. However, small landowners continue to cause problems for the peasants of India, as limited land resulted in reduced production and limited profitabilities. Some Indian farmers. The reforms in 1991 also increased the suicides of farmers in India after crop failure, such as by cotton, with cotton. Various studies identify important factors, including government assistant withdrawal, inadequate or risk-related credit system, the difficulty of farming in semi-arid areas, poor agricultural income, the absence of alternative income opportunities, or downtown in the urban economy has forced non-farmers into farming, and the absence of the proper consulting services. Since independence, India has become the world's largest producer of wheat, vegetable oils, potatoes, spices, rubber, tea, fishing, fruits, and vegetables. The Ministry of Agriculture oversees agriculture activities in India. In India, several institutes for the agriculture research were organized under the Agriculture Research Council of India. Other organizations such as the National Dairy Development Board, our average 1965, and the National Bank for the Agriculture and Rural Development 1982 helped to the establish cooperative and improve financing. Agriculture contribution into the India's male workforce decreased from 57 to 75.9% in 1961 to 60% in 1999-2000. States that in 1999-2000 there were about 45 million agricultural laborers in the country. These households recorded the highest incidence of poverty in India. From 1993 to 2000, the Green Revolution introduced the high-yielding varieties of the crops, which also increased the use of fertilizer and pesticides. About 90% of pesticides used in India accounts for DDT, Landans, BHC, and HCH. There has been a shift in the organic culture, especially for exported goods. During 2003-2004, agriculture accounted for 22% of India's GDP, employed 58% of the country's workforce. India is the world's largest producer of milk, fruit, cashew, coconut, ginger, turmeric, banana, sapota, lentils, paper. India is the second largest producer of peanut, wheat, vegetables, sugar, fish is in the world. India is also the world's third largest producer of the tobacco and rice, the fourth largest producer of the coarse grains, and the fifth largest producer of the eggs and the seventh largest producer of the meat.